Now let's take a look at this figure 7-11, and we're dealing with balanced and unbalanced loads on the neutral in a single phase load type, balancing type situation. Now, looking at the top illustration, all loads are balanced. Notice that we have on L1 3 kVA, and on L2 we have 3 kVA, neutral load. So the neutral sees 0, as you know, we are told in 220.61 and A in the NEC. But then at the very bottom now illustration, we see that we have loads that are unbalanced. We have a 3 kVA and a 6 kVA load on L1, but on L2 we have 15 kVA. So 9 from 15 kVA leaves what is illustrated in the note, an unbalanced load on the neutral of 6 kVA, as illustrated in 220.61 and A in the NEC. And of course our transformer in both cases is a 30 kVA, 120, 240 volt, 3-wire, single phase system. And so this figure 7-11 is just illustrating balanced and unbalanced loads on the neutral. And as close as we can balance those loads, the better the system will operate when you have sensitive electronic equipment, nonlinear loads, harmonics, and those kind of loads associated with the neutral is illustrated in 310.15E in the NEC. So that's what our figure 7-11 is illustrating.